Imagine you've been diligently investing your hard-earned money in Stash. You've watched your portfolio grow over time, and now you're ready to reap the rewards. But how do you actually withdraw your money? It might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, it's actually quite straightforward. Ever had that feeling of anticipation before checking your bank account? That same excitement can be felt when withdrawing from Stash. So, let's dive in and learn how to do it. Understanding Stash withdrawals. Before we get into the steps, let's clarify a few things. Stash primarily offers fractional shares, meaning you can invest in small portions of stocks and ETFs. When you withdraw, you are essentially selling these fractional shares. There are two main ways to withdraw your money from Stash: a full account closure or a partial withdrawal. A full closure means you're selling all your investments and closing your account. A partial withdrawal allows you to sell a specific amount of your investments while keeping your account open. Step-by-step guide: full account closure. Log into your Stash account, open your Stash app or website and enter your login credentials. Navigate to Settings, look for the Settings or Account section. Find the Close Account option. This might be under Account Management or a similar heading. Confirm your decision. Stash will likely ask you to confirm your decision to close your account. They might provide a reason for closing and ask you to choose one. Review withdrawal options. Stash will guide you through the process of withdrawing your funds. You'll typically have options like direct deposit to your bank account or check by mail. Provide necessary information. Fill in the required details, such as your bank account information or mailing address. Submit your request. Once you've verified all the information, submit your request to close your account and initiate the withdrawal. Step-by-step guide: partial withdrawal. Log into your Stash account. As with a full closure, the first step is to log into your Stash account. Navigate to your portfolio. Go to the section where you can view your investments. Select the investments to sell. Choose the specific stocks or ETFs you want to sell. You can usually adjust the quantity you want to sell. Confirm the sale. Review the details of your sale, including the estimated proceeds. Confirm your decision to sell. Choose withdrawal method. Select how you want to receive your funds, such as direct deposit or a check. Provide necessary information. Fill in the required details, such as your bank account information or mailing address. Submit your request. Once you've verified everything, submit your request to sell your investments and initiate the withdrawal. Additional considerations. Tax implications. Be aware of the tax implications of withdrawing your investments. You might need to pay capital gains tax on any profits you've made. Consult with a tax professional for personalized advice. Withdrawal fees. Some platforms might charge fees for withdrawals. Check Stash's terms and conditions to see if there are any associated fees. Processing time. The time it takes for your withdrawal to be processed can vary. Stash should provide an estimate, but it's always a good idea to plan ahead. Withdrawing your money from Stash is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to close your account entirely or make a partial withdrawal, Stash provides clear instructions to guide you through the process. Remember to consider the tax implications and any potential fees associated with withdrawals. By understanding the steps involved and planning ahead, you can confidently withdraw your funds from Stash and enjoy the fruits of your investments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.